Good morning, students. We are going to continue chapter 7 English grammar, the determiners. Articles is one of the most important topics in determiners. Yesterday we started articles. Now today we are going to continue. Use of an we studied yesterday. Use of the we were studying. First second use of the we studied yesterday. Today we are going to start use number 3 of the. Mountain range. The used before the names of mountain range. Example, the Himalayas. The Himalayas. Mountain range. But the Everest is wrong. The Everest is wrong because Everest is not mountain range. It is only a peak of mountain. So the used before names of range of mountains. Himalayas is mountain range. The Himalayas. Before Mount Everest, article will not be used. Cross Mount Everest. Before Mount Everest, the not used because Mount Everest is not range of mountains. It's a mountain peak. So before the names of peak, articles not used. Articles used before the names. The Himalayas, the Alps. It is a group of islands. The also used before names of group of islands. Example, the Andamans, the Nicobars. But we cannot use the Sri Lanka, the Ceylon, because they are not group of islands. Clear? They are not group of islands, so the Sri Lanka, the Ceylon will be wrong. Again, rivers, the Ganga, the Yamuna. Lakes, the Dal Lake, the Wular Lake. Bays, the Bay of Bengal. Gulfs, the Gulf of Mexico. Sea, the Red Sea, the Black Sea. Oceans, the Atlantic Ocean, the Pacific Ocean. Forest, the Ardennes, the Black Forest. Ships, the Titanic. Planes, the Meghdoot. Trains, the Shatabdi Express. Musical instrument, the tabla, the guitar. Superlative degree, the best, the tallest, the shortest, the plus adjective. With some adjectives, the used and it becomes plural. Example, the rich, the poor, the blind, the deep. All these words indicate plural. The rich means rich people. Plural noun becomes. Third use finish. Use number 4. The used with some countries. The also used with the names of some countries. Not all countries, only some countries. The USA, the UK, the UAE, the USSR, the Sudan, the Netherlands. Only with these countries the used. With other countries, articles not used. Now the most important thing I am going to tell you that articles not used. Articles generally not used with proper material and abstract noun. Clear? Articles generally not used with proper material abstract noun. Articles generally not used with proper material abstract noun. It is used with common and collective. Example, dash Amarendra. Amarendra is proper noun, so article will not be used. Gold. Gold. Gold is material noun, so article not used. Honesty is abstract noun, so article not used. Clear? Generally with proper material and abstract noun articles not used. But articles can be used when we make the proper material and abstract noun definite, specific, familiar. Then the article the can be used. Clear? Suppose that there are two students, Gopal, two students whose name are Gopal in the class. One student is sitting on first bench, one Gopal is sitting on first bench, another Gopal sitting on second bench. Then if I want to talk to only one Gopal with different Gopal, not both Gopal, so I will tell the Gopal. The Gopal on the first bench. The Gopal on the first bench. Because we are talking to definite Gopal. Gopal who is sitting on the first bench. The Gopal on the second bench. Gopal who is sitting on the second bench. Definite Gopal, familiar, specific Gopal. So definite article used. We make definite proper material abstract and definite article used. Example. Gold. Gold is yellow. No article used. But definite gold. Gold of India. The gold of India. Now article is possible. The gold. Not all gold of the world. Only Indian gold. Definite gold. Is famous. Is famous. Material. Now about honesty is the best policy. No article used generally. But if definite honesty of a different person, then different article the will come. Example. The honesty. The honesty of Sonu. Definite honesty. Not all persons honesty, only Sonu is honesty. So, definite article. The honesty of Sonu is doubtful. Is doubtful. Clear? So, use of articles we have finished. Now we are going to study use of some more determiners. Some more determiners we are going to study. We are going to study use of some any. Some any. Both have same meaning. Some any both have same meaning, means little, a little. Some used with positive sentence. Any used with negative sentence. Clear? We can also write this way. Positive sentence takes some. Clear? Negative sentence takes any. Positive sentence takes some. Negative sentence takes any. Interrogative. Interrogative sentence takes both some, any, both. Clear? With positive sentence, some used. With negative sentence, any used. With interrogative sentence, both, some, any used. Example. There is some water in the glass. There is some water in the glass. Positive sentence, so some used. Negative. There is not any water in the glass. Negative, so any will be used, not some. Positive, negative. Interrogative. With interrogative, both used. Will you please give me some money? Will you please give me some money? Clear? Not any money. With interrogative, now confusion, both possible, then also we can write any, but no. Request. What is this? Request. If interrogative sentence will indicate request, then some used. Clear? And if interrogative sentence doesn't indicate request, then any used. Example. Have you bought any shirt? Have you bought any shirt? This is not request, so any used. Clear? When interrogative sentence indicates request, then some used. And when interrogative sentence does not indicate request, then any used. Finish. Now the use of each, every. Each, every. Each used for two persons. Two persons or things. And every used for more than two. More than two persons or things. Example. Ram and Shyam are friends. Ram and Shyam are friends. Each has a car. Because only two, Ram, Shyam. Ram and Shyam are friends and each has a car. Clear? Now example of every. Example of every. Every person wants to succeed in life. Every means more than two, all persons. Every person wants to succeed in life. Clear? When two persons used, then each, and for more than two, every used. So that's all, students, for today. Rest in the next class. Thank you.